Hi, I'm Jay. We always dream of to being a superhero in Avengers, but to be honest, we can't. So I thought to build something using code that gives me some kind of powers. So I built Doctor Strange. We will make this using three steps. First is hand detection. To detect our hand, that how is it showing in the camera using media pipe and the capture vision library. You can Google it to get more information about these libraries. And the second step is making that portal around our palm, like the Doctor Strange. And the third step is task performing, like when to show the portal, like show the portal only when our palm is open, otherwise not. Now let's get into the first step. So first we start with importing our libraries like MediaPipe and Capture Vision, and then we will write the hand detection script. And after writing some code, this is how hand detection will look like. Look at the points and the lines, it is detecting my palm properly. So our first step for hand detection is completely done and it is working fine. Now the main part comes in, that is making portal around our hand. For making that portal you need a bit of maths, and yeah, maths is scary, but anyways you can use AI or you can learn by yourself, no problem. So half of our second step is completed. Right now it is not fully portal, but it is a circle. Like when I close my palm, it is not show. When I open it, the circles are showing. Now we have to make these circles into portals. Now in the final step, we need to convert that circles into actual portals. So for that we need few more libraries: math, random, time, and numpy. Now let's get into our final step. Do-do-do-do-do-do. And now let's finally test it. So this is how I made this Doctor Strange portal in just Python language. And if you want to use it without doing anything, I have given the code link in the description. Just go on the GitHub and use it.